Okay, we are here at the swimming pool at Eagles Retreat, and I'm a pool guy, so I kind of like this area myself. So what we're looking at is a 20 by 40 vinyl liner in-ground swimming pool. It goes from 3 feet to diving depth. You notice you got a diving board at the end. This is a great size in terms of play. You can put a lot of people out here. A couple cool features about the swimming pool to make note of. If you own a pool, you know that the patio area in the shallow end is the most prolific in terms of socialization and people just hanging out. And so we've got a great area for that. You can certainly put lounge chairs. We've got over 10 feet of concrete in that area. Now, here on the sides, we've got 8 feet of concrete as well. And so if you want a set of chairs on the sides, you can do that too. And so it's certainly great for that. A couple other features that I want to point out to you. If you're looking for low maintenance, and everybody is, especially if you're not coming here all the time, the biggest factor to that is whether or not you're using salt or not with your swimming pool. This pool is set up right now with a salt chlorine generator, and so what that means is it produces natural chlorine through salt. It's very, very cool. It means it's very low maintenance. And when you're not here, you don't have to have a pool guy taking care of your chemicals because it's doing it for you, and it's much, much easier than the traditional chlorine model that we used to have back in the day. So you have that as well. Another feature to this, you notice aesthetically, the patio is really nice. We got stamped concrete instead of just brush finish, and so in terms of it looking great with this beautiful home, fully landscaped. And in terms of the fun that you've had here, Terry, I know you've probably had some pretty amazing pool parties.
Yep.
So give us a sense for how many people could, like, how many people have you had at one time using the pool area at one time?
Well, 30. 30 in the general area because it's so wide and
Yeah.
it wraps around. And I mean, it was a haven for birthday parties, whether it's my kids' birthday parties or other people's kids' birthday parties. And when I think of selling the home and what for grandparents, it's a great way to keep family coming back. You have a pool in your backyard, you're going to have kids in your backyard. You
That
have a
is
pool in
true.
your backyard, you're going to have your grandchildren in your backyard. So I would do it all over again. And the other thing about the pool, and maybe you pointed that out, is we chose not to do clover leaf size or something like this. Is a play pool. It's great for swimming laps and it's great for parties. And
Yeah,
it's a
well,
great part of history.
you maximize the play area, no doubt about it. The landscaping is exceptional. You've got the amazing view of the lake behind you. And a lot of times when people get a home in the Northern Neck, it doesn't have a pool, especially because of the Bay Act. And so what that means is you got the river, but the problem with the river is when the jellyfish come in, you can't swim, and that's a little bit of an issue for people. And so this way you're insured. Hey, if you don't want to be at the river, you don't have to be. If you don't want to be at the lake, you don't have to be. If you want to be just tanning at the swimming pool, enjoying yourself, you can do that as well. So there's essentially no way that you can mess up. And that's what makes this swimming pool area so great. There you have it.